Hello, everyone! Have you ever wondered why the world of biohacking and sports medicine is so obsessed with bee products? We are used to thinking of honey as just a sweet treat for tea, but today we are going deeper. I want to talk to you about a substance that literally defies the laws of biology. We are talking about royal jelly. Many have heard it as healthy, but few know that it is practically the only legal product in nature that contains living testosterone in its primary form. And today, I will prove this to you, relying strictly on hard scientific facts. Let's be honest, most hormonal boosters and supplement stores are just a mix of herbs and vitamins. They don't contain hormones, they only try to nudge your body to work harder. Royal jelly is in a completely different league. Scientists have confirmed that the secret of the nurse bee's glands contains actual trace amounts of steroid compounds, testosterone, progesterone, and estradiol. Why do I call it living? Because unlike synthetic drugs, which often suppress your body's own systems, the components of royal jelly act synergistically. They don't replace your hormones. They act as a biological tuning fork, setting your endocrine system to the correct frequency.
To help you understand the scale, let's look at the bee colony. This is my favorite example. There are two genetically identical larvae. One is fed regular honey and pollen. She becomes a worker bee and lives less than 2 months. The second is literally bathed in royal jelly, and she turns into the queen. She is 3 times larger, lives up to 5 or 6 years, and possesses incredible reproductive power. Think about it. The same genetic code, but different nutrition results in a 40-fold difference in lifespan. Science calls this the epigenetic influence of royal jelly. It is capable of switching specific genes on and off. But testosterone isn't just about muscles and energy. It's also about brain function. Royal jelly contains a unique component, 10-HDA fatty acid. It exists nowhere else in nature. Research shows that it mimics the signaling molecules in our brain responsible for the growth of new neurons. Essentially, it's a natural nootropic. When you hear that someone's thinking became clearer after a course of royal jelly, it's not a placebo effect. It's the work of neurotrophic factors. Now, a crucial point that sellers often hide. The living testosterone and enzymes in royal jelly are extremely fragile. Once the jelly is removed from the hive, you have only a couple of hours at room temperature before it degrades. If it sat on a store shelf or traveled in a regular package, you bought expensive, useless fat. Only immediate freezing after harvest or professional lyophilization, that is, vacuum drying, preserves the biological activity. If you want results, look only for these formats.
Friends, I filter through tons of information to give you only what is backed by research and real biology. My channel is a territory of facts, not marketing slogans. If you appreciate this approach, subscribe now. And of course, a critically important note. Royal jelly is a powerful biological agent. It has contraindications, ranging from allergies to Addison's disease. Therefore, before trying anything like this, you must consult a qualified physician. This video is for informational purposes, but your health is your responsibility. Take care of yourselves.